Hey, ever notice how you cherish that wonky bookshelf you built from IKEA way more than the professionally made one you bought? It's not just you. It's a deeply ingrained psychological quirk that affects us all, and it's called the IKEA Effect. Prepare to have your perspective shifted on why we value things, because what if the effort we put into something completely distorts its real worth? The IKEA Effect, named after the Swedish furniture giant, is a cognitive bias where we place a disproportionately high value on things we partially assemble ourselves. Sounds simple, right? But here's where it gets truly mind-bending. Studies have shown people will actually pay more for cake they baked from a mix than for professionally baked cake of the same quality. Think about that for a second. Why does this happen? It all boils down to emotional attachment. Our brains are wired to equate struggle with value. The more time, energy, and yes, even sweat we pour into something, the more we subconsciously believe it's worth. It's why parents proudly display their kids' macaroni art on the fridge, even if it looks like a colorful explosion. It's why you can't bring yourself to delete that terrible website you built in the early 2000s, and it explains why do-it-yourself projects feel so deeply personal. Think of it as a form of labor turns into love, but there's a quote that goes like this: "The road to hell is paved with good intentions." This applies to the IKEA effect, because as interesting and useful as it has a dark side. The hidden layer most people miss is how the IKEA effect can completely blind us to reality. We stubbornly cling to failing businesses we started, stay in toxic relationships because we invested so much time, or continue pouring resources into creative projects that are clearly going nowhere. It's not always love. Sometimes it's just the sunk cost fallacy wearing a clever disguise. We trick ourselves into thinking that all the effort we've invested automatically translates to inherent value. Consider this unexpected connection. The IKEA effect thrives in environments where we feel a sense of accomplishment, no matter how small. Each screw tightened, each line of code written, each brushstroke applied reinforces the illusion that we are creating something uniquely valuable. The more worthless a thing really is, the more we romanticize our involvement in it. Have you ever held on to something, not because it was good, but simply because you made it? Perhaps a business, relationship, or some kind of material thing. There's a quote that goes like this: "We are all apprentices in a craft where no one ever becomes a master." The only way to beat the IKEA effect is to take a step back and assess our creations objectively. So the big lesson here is this: effort doesn't automatically equal value. Next time you find yourself stubbornly defending something you created, ask yourself, am I truly proud of the result, or am I just emotionally attached to the process? The IKEA effect is a powerful force, shaping our perceptions of value and influencing our decisions in profound ways. Understanding it is the first step to breaking free from its potentially blinding grip. If you're ready to uncover extraordinary insights behind the weirdest parts of being human, consider subscribing. Stay subscribed. Each video brings something unexpected.